So you've got your eye on the Recteq Backyard Beast 1200 and you're wondering, is this grill the real deal or are you about to get burned? Let's get straight to it. The Backyard Beast 1200 is absolutely legit. It's earned its reputation for a reason. First, let's talk build quality. This thing is built like a tank. Heavy-duty stainless steel, solid grates, and a massive 1,200 square inch cooking area. We're talking enough space for 8 racks of ribs or 9 pork butts at once. Whether you're smoking low and slow or cranking it up to sear steaks at over 600 degrees, this grill has you covered. But no grill is perfect, and the Backyard Beast is no exception. Some users have noticed the grill overshooting the set temperature, sometimes by up to 100 degrees, especially during startup or when you open the lid. And if you're impatient, the preheat and recovery times can be slow, up to 50 minutes to hit 400 degrees on some units. Then there's the tech side. Firmware updates are meant to fix things, but sometimes they cause new headaches, like unstable temps. And while Recteq has a great reputation for customer service, lately, a few folks have reported longer wait times and not so helpful advice. So, should you hit that buy button? Here are a few quick tips. Use only top-notch dry pellets. If your temp's running wild, try lowering the minimum feed rate in the settings. And trust me, add that front folding shelf. It's a game changer for prep work. Bottom line? If you want a grill that's built to last and you don't mind a bit of a learning curve, the Backyard Beast 1200 is a solid investment. No scam, just some quirks to watch for.